Hi guys, it's Ashley from Night of True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Sleek Treat subscription. This is a monthly low-carb, high-fat, sugar-free keto subscription box that sends you snacks that they've handpicked because they taste wonderful but also fit into all of those sort of lifestyle diets. I don't know what's in here. I love this box. You guys know that. I do it every month. I've been doing it forever. This is their May box. So it says snack time. And I'm kind of, ooh, I was peeking. I shouldn't do that. So here's what it looks like. And they have 5 to 8 artisanal snacks in each box. They do also give you a really good, this card gives you a really good idea of what they're using in each of these snacks to like sweeten it, what sugar alternative they're using. So right here on the top, they have Smart Sweets gummy bears. I love these. These are so good. They usually send, this looks, the package is different than usual. It's usually like for kids, but this looks more like an adult version. They are using prebiotic soluble fiber from tapioca. And really that's it, fruit and vegetable juice. So this has raspberry, apple, lemon, and peach flavored gummies in it. And we will look on the card then too. Yeah, they're using stevia to sweeten. All right, then we've got fat snacks. I love these cookies. If you are looking for a sugar-free cookie that tastes great and is like really soft and just that perfect consistency, these are perfect. They have all different flavors. This is the peanut butter. Last month we got chocolate chip. We get one almost every month. They use a erythritol, xylitol, and I think they also use stevia. Yep, there it is, stevia. And but they do have a lot of protein in them. Let's look at the card. So they have high quality natural coconut flour, grass-fed butter. They're just really good. They taste good. I like that. All right. Oh, yay! This is the company they introduced us to last month. It's Just the Cheese. They're like these cheese snacks. Like it's like a grilled cheese sandwich, but no bread. These are low carb, obviously. Last month it was a grilled cheese, so it was like a Wisconsin type cheese. This is the aged cheddar, which sounds really good. I really like these. I love savory snacks, so getting one in this box is really nice. I always like, for me, quitting carbs, like I don't really miss the sweets as much as I miss like the sandwiches. I want a sandwich without bread, but I still want the bread. You know, life is hard. Anyway. Ooh, another, oh, my kids love these. True Lemon, like, these are little packets. They add it's just lemon, like, essence, I guess. It's really, there's nothing in it except lemon. Yeah, it's just crystallized lemon, citric acid, lemon oil, lemon juice. So there's 2 packets of the lemon, and it looks like 2 packets of the lime. And then there is also a peach lemonade. You just add it to water, and it tastes wonderful. Yes, I know. All right, then we've got some Zolly Pops. These are good for your teeth. They use, I think, xylitol. My kids love these. You know that. So this is also a great box if you're trying to give your kids snacks but not give them too much sugar and get them hooked. It's so easy to get into that habit of, oh, a treat, and then you're giving them lollipops and it's just nothing but sugar and it's rotting their teeth. These are a great alternative. My kids have no idea that there isn't sugar in them at all. They have zero idea. They think they're delicious. So why would you say no to that? So those have xylitol sweetened lollipops. Okay. Then we have a Coco Polo. This is a 70% dark chocolate bar with toasted coconut chia seeds. Sugar-free, no stevia taste, fair trade cocoa, gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan. So there's that. That is sweetened with stevia and erythritol. Then we've got a Quest bar. Oh, yes, it's birthday cake. I love birthday cake anything. Like, that's like one of my, I'm a sucker. I have that candle back there on the warmer. Birthday cake. Love it. So this is 5 grams of net carbs, 14 grams of fiber. This is like a coated protein bar. Let's see what they use for sugar. Erythritol and sucralose. So this is going to, in my opinion, taste very much like a normal sugared snack because those two, I have trouble determining that there isn't sugar in that. All right. Finally, we have a couple of the True, is this the True? Chalk Zero. Choc Zero, these are the milk chocolate bars. I love milk chocolate, it's my favorite. And I love this little packaging. Look at those little flowers, they're so cute. And then we have a 50 and 70% dark chocolate. So there are those. I give these to my Isabella, she loves dark chocolate. So there are 4 of those in here. So let's go over our card and see if we missed anything. The Choc Zero has monk fruit and fiber blend for a sweetener. We don't need to talk about the cheese sweetener because that's clearly not sweetened. And I think that's everything. So if you're interested in checking out my full review, I will link to that below. But this is a great box. If you're trying to change the way you're eating and you're having trouble, this is a great way to get a set of snacks that you can pick and choose. And like maybe you want to try a bunch of different snacks, but you don't have the cash to do it because it's expensive to buy a bunch and then find out that you don't even like it. So this is a great way to do it monthly, and they've really done the legwork for us. Like, we don't have to go and try to do it ourselves. It's so overwhelming. So if you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to Sleep Treats so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!